This Loan Plus 3 loan management software training is to outline the next steps after a loan has been approved for an applicant and how to create the new loan. From the new loan application screen, select Create Account for in-person loan creation or create account by email if your company does email loans. If your company does not do email loans, this option will not be available. The Create Account by email will be covered in a later lesson. If you are a multi-location customer LP, 3 will check for duplication of customer's account status to make sure you have not already given the customer a loan at a different branch office. If LP3 can't communicate with the central database for duplicate account verification, you will receive the message, failed to connect to Big List server. Continue with account creation. If there was a duplicate account found, you will receive a duplicate account found message that you must also accept to bypass to make the loan. The customer information pop-up window will open for the employee to ensure all data looks correct for the applicant one last time before the loan is made. Make sure you verify the identity of the applicant prior to moving forward with the loan. This will prevent making a loan to the wrong applicant. Selecting OK from the customer information window will open the new loan pop-up window. If your company does live checks, you can answer yes if this is a live check. If you do not know what this is, then this option will not be available and will be discussed in later lessons. For this training, no was selected for live check. Now you will see the new loan pop-up window with the following options. Live check. If this is enabled for your company, you can select yes or no. Amount financed. The amount of the loan and an example would be $1,000. Next would be the term and is in months, and an example would be 10 months. At this point, we are going to create a $1,000 loan with a term of 10 months. Once this information is entered and you select the tab key or click anywhere in the new loan pop-up window, the following is shown. Pay to others. Add payees. This allows some or all of the loan to be applied to other debts and the names of the creditor to pay. First payment date. This is the date of the first payment on the loan and can be adjusted several days to make the payment more convenient for the loan company or the applicant per company policy. Cash back. This is the amount the customer will receive from the loan. This amount will vary for existing customers renewing or refinancing a loan. Handling charge. The interest to be earned on the loan based on the loan calculation method that is defined by the state statute. Acquisition charge. This is the amount that will be due on the loan immediately after creation and is a processing fee defined either by state law or company policy if less than the law allows. APR. This is the annual percentage rate calculated for the amount borrowed over the amount of term's interest rate. Regular payment. This is the amount of the first payment, and if you change the amount financed or the terms, this payment amount and other amounts might change, so you can determine if the amount per month can be repaid by the customer prior to loan approval and company policy. Last payment. If the amount of payments is based on an amount not even, when divided over the term of the loan, the last payment will show a slightly different amount to make up for this. If the loan is secured by an asset or vehicle, or this is a service finance type loan, the security type, security info, and security date can be set. Once the correct information is entered for the loan, then select Continue. The loan is entered in the software at this point, but you must print out the loan documents review and have the customer sign before the loan is completed. Note the message Loan Completed. Print Loan Documents button below and the button Print Loan Documents. The Print Loan Documents button will open a link to the loan documents PDF to view and print. Loan docs printed OK will be visible, and select the View Download link to open the documents. Review and print the documents and make sure all the customer information and loan information is correct. Loan documents details will be discussed more in a separate lesson. Once the documents have been printed, close the window and select Yes to the Loan Docs Printed OK pop-up. If check printing is set up in LP3, you can enter the next check number to issue to the customer. Make sure before you enter this number that the check number matches the number you enter. LP3 will show the next check number in the sequence. The second prompt will only ask you to confirm if you enter a check number that is out of sequence. Now the message "Check printed OK" will be visible, and select the Check View download link to print the check. Selecting yes to the Check printed OK will show the Create New Account Completed pop-up, and selecting OK will take you to the customer information screen for the new loan. If you select today's business in the top menu and open the loan register, the newly created loan will be visible and its details. This concludes the Approve Application Create Loan process in LP3. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.